everyone and good morning. Right, so today I have decided to get into my craft room and give it a really good tidy up. I've been in here crafting and I have made a mess. As you can see, there is stuff everywhere. I mean, this is my desk. Not too bad, but there are things up there, there are things down there, there are things here, there, everywhere. Look, there is stuff everywhere, and I even have a pile down there. So I'm going to do a before and after, and I'm going to go through possibly some of the things with you. I mean, look at this. That needs sorting out like really badly. It has you know, just bits and pieces everywhere. It really is a mess in here, so I need to sort this out. And I mean, you know, some things are not too bad. I've still got my shelves are still intact. It's just all the sides in here, so I'm going to do this before and then an after. All right, so wish me luck and I'll see you all later. Bye. Hi everyone, so I am back. I have been busy tidying up my craft room, and as you can see, it looks a whole lot better. There's still quite a lot of things that are, you know, needing to be sorted out, but it is clean and clear again, ready for me to start working properly. Had a real good sort out on this sort of side over here. There's loads of things, and I've put things in the middle here and moved a few bits around, but as you can see, it is looking a lot neater and tidier. I think what I have to do now really is just try and cull it a bit, you know. I think I have things that I don't know if I'm going to use, and I mean, what's up there? Let me just see what's up there. Right, spray adhesive, feathers, duct tape. I'm looking up there. We've got mini albums, paint, spray adhesive, knitting and crochet, feathers, duct tape. What's in this one? Loads of card blanks up there, which I could still use. I've got jigsaw pieces, scissors, pliers. Oh my gosh. And all of these drawers here, just really jam-packed, and those under there as well. But at least we are looking good, and we're a lot tidier and ready to yes, get back to work. So I just thought I'd show you that I have been busy sorting things out, and this is my nice clear workspace now, ready to get started with my work. So I will be back tomorrow with a video. Okay, so take care, my lovelies. Hope this encouraged you to tidy your craft room up a bit if it's a mess like mine was. Mine's a tidy mess now at the moment. But right, I'm off. I shall see you all later. Take care. Bye bye.